Lesson 6, which page?
Lesson 6, problem set. Is everybody on the right page?
Yeah.
Okay, you should have tennis balls at the top like this. Everybody have tennis balls at the top? Okay. Number 1 says, Rick puts 15 tennis balls into cans. Each can holds 3 balls. Circle groups of 3 to show the balls in each can. Each can holds 3 balls. So circle groups of 3. You do that now. Circle groups of 3 balls. So if we circle groups of 3, these 3, whoa, 3.
That's cool. It just goes up on.
I know, always moves on me. Okay, there's my groups of 3. So Rick needs how many cans? Blake?
5.
5 cans, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. Rick needs 5 cans. So blank times 3 equals 15. What do you guys have? Thomas?
5.
5. 5 groups times 3 in each group equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals, Oakley?
5.
5. Because our division is just the opposite of our multiplication. Okay, let's go on to number 2. Rick uses 15 tennis balls to make 5 equal groups. Okay, draw to show how many tennis balls are in each group. What's our first step?
Draw the group.
Draw the groups. Good job, Peyton. How many do we have? How many groups does he make?
5.
5. So draw 5 groups.
Wait, yeah.
He has 15 tennis balls total, and that's what he's splitting between the groups. So split your 15 tennis balls between 5 groups.
Wait, do we have to write
In the groups, yep. You start with 1, and then count up to 15. 1,
Can we do lines?
2, yep. 3, 4. I'm not the only one counting.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
How many tennis balls are there in each group?
3.
3. There are 3 tennis balls in each group.
They kind of look like bowling balls with the holes.
They kind of do. 5 times what equals 15? Delbert, 5 times what equals 15? How many tennis balls are in each group?
4.
Not 4. Oakley.
3.
3. 5 times 3 equals 15 because we have 5 groups of 3 tennis balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tennis balls in each group, so 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 divided by 5 equals what? Addison? 15 divided by 5 equals? 3. So our division is just the opposite of our multiplication. Good? Thumbs up if you're ready to move on.
I like math today.
Good. Thumbs up. All right.
I got a question.
What's your question?
What would it do if you just put 5 in one? Like 5 blue? You can't. There's not enough.
There wasn't enough. Yep, there's only 15 total.
Get 25.
So 3 says use an array to model problem 1. So I erased mine, but you still have yours on your paper. Tell me what kind of array we need. Remember, array are rows. Okay, an array is rows. How many rows do we need, and how many do we need in each row? Thomas, how many rows do we need? 3. We need 3 rows? I'm going to draw mine down here. 1, 2, 3 rows. How many do we need in each row? Jenna?
3.
We have 3 rows. How many do we need in each row? 5. Okay, so here's our array right here. Blank times 3 equals 15. What times 3 equals 15? Blake?
3?
Nope. We have 3 rows. So what times 3 equals 15? Oakley?
5.
5. How come?
Because 3 is the group, and 5 is the number in each group.
Yep, 5 is the number in each group. We have 1, 2, 3 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. Okay? So 5 times 3 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 equals?
5.
5. What does the number in the blank represent for this problem? Blakely?
Size.
The size of group. The number in the blank right now is this 5. Okay? So the number 5 represents the size of the group. There are 5 tennis balls in that group. So here you're going to put size of group. Size of group. B, part B of this problem says 5 times blank equals 15. What would go in that blank? Blakely?
3.
3. Why do you say 3?
Because
Yep, that's how many rows we have. She saw that there's already 5 here, which equals the number in the group. So she needed to put the number of groups or number of rows. Whoa!
what did happen?
It's called slingshot.
Called slingshot, Tom.
Did your screen get slingshotted?
Sure did.
Decided to be
Slingshot.
All right, so 15 divided by 5 equals? Jenna?
3.
3. What does the number in this blank represent? This blank is number 3. So what does number 3 represent?
Each size of group.
Nope, not the size of the group.
Number of groups.
The number of groups or rows.
Tomorrow is when the new Jurassic World comes out.
Okay.
I can't wait.
My mom wants to watch.
Does it have a Spinosaurus?
Thumbs up when you're ready to move on.
Oh no. If it does or not.
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. All right. Flip it over to that back of that page. Yep.
Is this going to be our homework page?
Nope, this is what we're doing today. And then the homework page is what we worked on earlier.
Wait, isn't that page on 24?
This is page 24. Dina makes 21 jars of tomato sauce. She puts 7 jars in each box to sell at the market. How many boxes does Dina need? Okay, so she has 21 jars, and she puts each jar into, I'm sorry. She puts 7 jars into each box. So how many boxes does she need? So we need a group what? How many, Jolie?
7.
3.
That's,
3 boxes.
yep. She needs 3 boxes. How did you find that answer?
Well, I thought back and we did 7 plus 7 earlier, and that equaled 14. So I just added 7 from there.
So you just did it in your head. Smart girl. Okay, if we drew boxes to represent this, she put 7 jars in each box, I would just make groups of 7. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 1 jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 3 jars. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is what? 21, and she had 21 jars total.
Division.
So 21 divided by 7 is what? Hayden?
$21.
21 divided by 7. We put 21 into groups of 7, and how many groups did we end up with? Hayden?
3.
3. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. So blank times 7 equals 21. Blake? 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. This is just showing you that division is the opposite of multiplication. Okay? That's what that is trying to show you. What is the meaning of the unknown factor and quotient? So what is the meaning of what we found? What is the meaning of 3? Thomas?
3 groups.
3 groups. So it's the number of groups. So you write that down. The meaning is the number of groups. The teacher gives the equation 4 times blank equals 12. Charlie finds the answer by writing and solving 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Explain why Charlie's method works. What did I just tell you? she found the answer in this that goes in this blank by writing and solving this problem. 4 times blank equals 12. 12 divided by 4 equals blank.
Do we have to write that?
Just tell me why this method works. Thomas?
There's 4 rows and 3 in each row.
There's 4 rows and 3 in each row, so he gave us the answer of 3. But Charlie found the answer by doing division. Why does that work? What did I just tell you guys, Blakely?
Because the numbers are just flipped around.
Yeah, the numbers are just flipped around. Multiplication is the opposite of division.
Do you want us to write all of them?
Yep, I want you to write this. Multiplication is the opposite.
But do we have to write it on the line?
No. Of
Oops.
division. That's what you're writing. Multiplication is the opposite of division. That's why this factor works.
You increase its
Thank you.
size.
But do we have to write the number?
Nope. All you're writing is multiplication is the opposite of division. It just asks you to explain why her method worked. Okay, when you are finished with this, I'm going to give you the exit ticket for lesson 6.
We need to write like something on those. What can we do on these?
You don't have to fill those in. That was just to show you.
Well, we do lesson 7 tomorrow.
We'll see.
Can we close the book then?
I'm going to give you the exit ticket for lesson 6, okay? You're going to complete that on your own and then turn it in to me.
This is